The sound of the nightingale's whistle has awakened my intoxicated weight. The water and flowers together with the beauty of the gaze of my beloved. And you, oh my master and my lord and protector, how often have I been captivated by a charming one of the most exquisite. I picked from his cheeks the blush of the rose of shyness. He said, be still, yet he did not offer kisses. He said, no, 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 then no, 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 and he has become desperate. And the locks of hair sway with joy from the actions of this man. So I lamented and lamented, oh woe unto me. I said, do not lament and show me the pearls. When she saw him, silver haired, wanting more than kisses. After him, he will not be content except with sweet connection to me. She said to him at such a time, rise and find the way. And young men served me coffee as sweet as honey. I smelled it with my nose, sweeter than cloves, in the middle of a garden adorned with flowers and my joy. And the lute began to play for me, and the drums beat for me. Tap, 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 tap brought joy to me. And the ceiling reverberated for me, and the dance swayed for me. Roasted, roasted, and sizzled on the leaf of the bitter orange. And the moon sang out from boredom in boredom. If only you could see me riding on a thin donkey. It walks on three legs like the walk of the wild ass, and the people throw stones at my camel in the market with the clattering. And everyone knows cock, cock, cock behind me, and from the little ones when I walked running away for fear of the rejection. To meet a revered king, honored and esteemed, who orders me a cloak red like blood. I drag it while walking, dragging the tail of it. I am the brightest poet from the district of Mosul. I composed pieces that are adored, that literature cannot surpass. I say in its beginning, the sound of the nightingale's whistle.